If Audacity is showing error code 9985, don't worry. This usually means your audio device is unavailable because another app is already using your microphone or speakers. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to fix it step by step so you can get back to recording without the frustration. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, let's understand what error code 9985 actually means. In most cases, Audacity can't access your microphone or playback device because another program is hogging it in the background. This is very common if you have Zoom open, Microsoft Teams running, Discord active, or even a web browser with microphone access. So the first thing you want to do is close any app that might be using your audio device. Go ahead and exit Zoom completely. If you have Teams open, close that too. Do the same with Discord, browser tabs that may be using your mic, and any other app that could be holding onto your audio hardware. If you're not sure which one is causing the issue, close them one by one until the conflict is gone. Sometimes the app is still running in the system tray, so make sure it's fully closed and not just minimized. Once you've closed the background apps, go back to Audacity and see if the device error is gone. If it still appears, the next step is to disable exclusive mode in Windows. This is important because exclusive mode allows certain apps to take full control of your audio device, which can block Audacity from using it properly. To do that, open the sound control panel on your computer. You can usually find it by searching for sound in the Windows search bar, then opening the classic sound settings. Once you're there, right-click your microphone or speakers, depending on which device is causing the issue, and select Properties. In the Properties window, click the Advanced tab. Here, you'll see an option that says Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Uncheck that box. If you also see a second option related to exclusive mode, uncheck that as well. Then click Apply and OK to save the changes. This step prevents other software from locking your device and helps Audacity access it normally. After that, return to Audacity and try again. If needed, you can also force Audacity to refresh your audio setup. To do this, go to the transport menu at the top of Audacity and choose Rescan audio devices. This makes Audacity search for your connected microphones and speakers again, which can clear up device detection problems after you've closed conflicting apps or changed sound settings. If everything is set correctly, Audacity should now recognize your audio device without showing error code 9985. At that point, try a quick test recording or playback to confirm the issue is fixed. If it still doesn't work, double check that your microphone is plugged in, selected correctly inside Audacity, and not disabled in Windows sound settings. So to recap, error code 9985 usually means device unavailable. Another app is using your mic or speakers. You should close background apps like Zoom, Teams, Discord, or browser tabs. Disable exclusive control in the sound control panel, and then rescan audio devices in Audacity. Those simple steps solve the issue for most users. If this video helped you fix Audacity error code 9985, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.